Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I know I always say that my tutorials are going to be quick, but this time it actually is going to be quick, I swear. Leonardo da Vinci and I are going to teach you how to do a realistic eye in 10 minutes. Or less. Alright, let's make this quick so I can drink my tea. Look at all these eyes I drew. Okay, so Leonardo da Vinci did the one on the top left, but I did all the others and you can do it too, and I'm going to show you how right now. Alright guys, let me reintroduce myself very quickly. I am Andrea Tammy, otherwise known as Lothlenan. You can find me on Instagram, Tumblr, Facebook, Twitter. I am all over the internet. And today, the thing I'm going to teach you to do is an eye. Leonardo da Vinci, he was responsible for painting The Last Supper, for painting the Mona Lisa, and yes, he is the most famous artist of all time. First of all, you're going to want to take a quick little look at what it is that Da Vinci does here. I'm going to draw over top so you know what it is we're talking about, and then we're going to do the same. And if you do this again and again, I guarantee it will vastly improve your eye drawing abilities. First things first is the tear duct. That's the shape you're going to start with. You can see it lines up very well with the corner of the eye. But don't stop here. Do not stop there. Nope. Don't forget, the line continues over here because that is a nice heavy eyelid that they have going on there. However, the lower lid, so you have this almond shape. If you like almonds, congratulations, you just drew one. The upper eyelid makes a shape like that, and the lower eyelid makes a shape like that. And of course you have, old people lines and an eyebrow. Okay? That is the gist. So in its most basic form, this is what we're doing. Just like that. Now we're going to do it again. Lightly draw a line so you know how to line things up. Draw that tear duct, go up just a little bit. Pull it through. And now we're going to draw those nice, juicy, fat eyelids. Don't forget those wrinkles. And of course, wrinkles cast shadows. And again, go watch my previous videos to see why the eyelids are forming this shape. Gotta make them look old. Remember, skin is it's quite thin when you're old, so it kind of cascades down your cheek. It's crepey skin. Now the eyebrow lines up to this area here. And it extends beyond this area here. Not by much, just a little. And because he's old, he gets nice, curly eyebrows. He doesn't trim these. He lets them grow wild. A wild child. Alright, and you'll notice he makes these lines to show shadow. And even the whole of it is covered by lines. So the lines will get a little bit heavier where the shadow is cast, such as here. And again, go watch my previous videos to find out why the shadow is there. Now, I'm just gonna go this quickly like this. And we're gonna toss in some highlights. To be fair, I know that Da Vinci didn't use highlights when he did his eye, but he did have like this kind of mid-tone paper, so I started on white, I should have started on like a mid-tone, and thus we add highlights in after the fact. And again, you're gonna wanna do as many iterations of an eye like this as you can in order to fully understand without a reference. So do it in different styles as well. Like previously I was doing line drawing, this time I'm doing kind of like this scribble thing which kind of captures value in a different way than line does. Like don't feel obliged to just do it in one single kind of approach. You know what I mean? This is a drawing exercise, and like all exercises you have to do them repeatedly in order to see any sort of change. So just do it again and again and again. In this particular exercise, I actually did 8 different kinds of eyes, and you can see that right here, actually. Look at all that. Thank you so much for watching. It's always good to see you guys. I hope it was helpful. If you'd like to see more, please hit that subscribe button and leave a comment to let me know what it is that you would like to see in the future. Some popular votes have been hands and feet. And anything else? I appreciate your support so much, you guys. Like, this is kind of fun. I might keep doing this if you guys like it, so thank you. See you next time!